Babo Kabalen. Welcome to Where in Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, bibisitahin natin itong showroom ng isa sa mga proud Kapampangan furniture maker dito sa may Angeles City.
So this is RL All-Weather Furniture. Guys, tingnan yung background namin. If you're looking for these kinds of items, samahan niyo po kami. You're gonna love this.
So tara, let's go!
So today, na-invite kami, ito yung kanilang grand opening talaga. So papansin nyo, may konting handaan dito. Alaman ninyo kung ano ba yung mga items na meron dito na baka maging interesado kayo na bilhin nito. So these are furnitures that includes indoor at outdoor, as well as yung mga all-weather furnitures. Like for example, ito outdoor to. Para sa akin, bago ang mga ganitong klaseng upuan.
Hanging swing, parang sabi nila.
Hanging swing. So pansin nyo yung materials nito similar dun sa mga crystal kayak ng Boracay.
Same time may metal siya. Talagang
metal
yung
chrome.
support niya talagang napakatindi. And talagang yung weight na kaya niyang buhatin talagang
mabigat pa rin.
Pangbigatin.
Yay!
My name is Ron Miranda, and I'm the CEO and founder of RL Crafts and Furniture with my business partner Lester. Well, we have a background sa furniture. My dad was a carpenter, my grandfather was also sa furniture, and my tito, titas, and my pinsan, they're carpenters, and dito sila sa furniture. Dito talaga, it runs in the family. Well, basically, I've been handling it for 10 years now. We started between 2013 and 2014. Start kami sa garahe namin sa Fiesta Communities sa Tabun. Now, we have 4 factories dito sa Angeles and sa San Fernando.
So, meron din tayong mga umbrella. Ayan. Na ang design parang nipa hat. Pero these are plastic straw. Yun, so, tumatagal din ng mga to. Meron din tayong mga set. Ito, may tables and chairs. Ito pang outdoor to. May mga sofa, plastic, non-organic, matagal masira to. And then yung pinaka-frame niya metal. No? So talagang sabi nga perfect for for outdoor. Kung meron kayong like garden,
Pool,
or pool, yung mga side pool. Yan, maganda to kahit basa ka right after mo magbabad pwede pa rin silang gamitin dito. Oh, this one's big. Look at this, ang laki niya. Actually, dalawa siya na pinagdikit. Ayan, 1 and 2. Pero isang set to, as I can see it.
Basically, it's been an amazing journey. Nakapag-deliver kami from up north, Ilocos Norte, even down south, Cebu, Davao. We supply to thousands of resort and hotel clients. We also cater to residential clients. Pero majority talaga sa mga products namin, ang mga bumibili mga hotel and resort clients. This is actually our first showroom kasi mostly sa online lang kami. Our Facebook page is RL Crafts and Furniture. Ngayon nagbukas kami ng showroom, but we have 4 factories. Our main product are synthetic rattan furniture. Those are the outdoor furnitures for hotels and resorts. So basically they're waterproof, UV proof. But currently we also supply walnut slabs. We also have wooden furniture, indoor furniture. We make beds, customized beds, Solia products. Basically lahat handmade. So our craftsmen are really amazing na nagagawa nila yung mga products na to.
Congratulations po sa RL All-Weather Furniture. Habang kayo umigat ako, sabi ko, iba talaga ang Kapampangan, iba ang gawa ng Kapampangan. And it makes us really proud na dito po sa showroom natin, nagagaling lahat ng workers natin and the creativity, sir, that you have. Congratulations and God bless po. Thank you.
Masaya po ako na naging purpose ko is magbigay ng trabaho sa mga empleyado, syempre. At hindi lang naman basta-basta empleyado ang tingin namin sa kanila, kundi parang pamilya na din. Welcome po. Good evening po.
So come visit, there are a lot of products here. If it's not here, basically we can customize it for you.
Una, Mark, ano ba yung masasabi mo sa lugar, bro?
Actually, furniture-wise, talagang napakaganda nila. Sabi nga nila, all-weather.
Yes.
At the same time, nakaka-proud. Since mga Kapampangan, young entrepreneurs yung mga owners dito.
Exactly. So, mga items natin dito, perfect for mga residentials. If you have a rest house,
Yes, a resort.
a resort, mga staycation, mga hotels, guys.
Yes.
Yung mga items na hinahanap nyo, most probably, meron po sila dito.
So, RL All-Weather Furnitures located dito sa may Pandan, Magalang Road.
Yes.
Visiting hours, you could check their Facebook fan page.
Correct.
Para at least makita nyo sila actual yung mga furniture nila dito.
If you are outside Pampanga, make sure to message them and they're gonna give you all the details or the information that you need. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye, guys.